Hi guys, welcome back to Fabulous Food. Today we are making Guyanese buns. This is the first recipe we did on YouTube. Our daughter said, "Mom, you're doing all this cooking. Why don't you start a YouTube channel?" And that's how it began. And today again we are making Guyanese buns, my favorite buns, our special recipe. I take one every day to work. I have 2 cups of flour in here and I have a half a cup of whole wheat. Make it healthier and adding 1 stick of butter. We're gonna mix it up to become like a breadcrumb. My wife is making healthier here. She's adding half a cup of Quaker oat. And mix it. Adding 3/4 cup of sugar. Adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix it. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix it up. Half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, our favorite spice. Add in a cup of milk slowly here. Mix it up. Add in 1.5 cup of grated coconut, freshly grated coconut. Add in half a cup of walnut. Good taste, the walnut.
Nice. Some cranberry.
Half a cup of cranberry. All the good things in here. Make it tasty. Looking good. Everything all mixed up. Ready to go in the pan and into the oven. Here we line the pan with parchment paper. We're gonna spray it with palm spray. Using the ice cream scoop there, and we'll shape the bun. The Guyanese bun, my favorite. Well, check out the buns, guys. See how nice it comes out. We'll now put it in the oven. And we'll show you how it looks tomorrow. We'll show you when it's finished. Looking good, looking good. Thanks for watching. Look at the buns, guys, how it turns out. Thanks for watching. Share with your friends if you like how it turns out. Bye, see you in our next video.